India is gaining major trade benefits linked to RCEP, Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership, without joining the China-led bloc, and that's a strategic win. RCEP is the world's biggest trade bloc, 10 ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, plus China, Japan, South Korea, Australia and New Zealand. India exited in 2019, fearing cheap Chinese imports and weak safeguards for domestic industry. India chose multiple free trade agreements, FTAs, instead of one mega deal. It built strong links with key RCEP members, without China getting market access while avoiding automatic tariff cuts for Chinese goods. India keeps tariff sovereignty, supports the global China Plus One strategy, and strengthens supply chains through SCRI, Supply Chain Resilience Initiative.